Welcome to USA Money Talks. If you're new to the stock market, this video might save you months of confusion. Because today, I'm breaking down the asterisk top 3 beginner-friendly stocks that every new investor in the US should at least understand before buying anything. No complicated jargon, just simple, real explanations you can actually use. Let's start. Stock number 1, Apple, iPhones. Number 1. Apple. iPhones, the single most beginner-friendly stock in the world. Here's why nearly every US investor starts with iPhones. Massive brand loyalty asterisk. People upgrade iPhones every year. Strong cash flow asterisk. Huge revenues from devices plus services. Long-term growth asterisk. Apple has grown almost every decade. Lower volatility asterisk. Compared to most tech stocks, Apple teaches beginners one important lesson. Stable companies with strong products grow slowly and consistently. You don't buy Apple to get rich overnight. You buy Apple to asterisk learn how long-term investing works. Stock number 2, Microsoft, MSFT. Second, Microsoft, the backbone of modern technology. Reasons why MSFT is great for beginners. Dominates cloud computing asterisk through Azure, massive AI investment, OpenAI partnership, Copilot, etc. Recurring revenue asterisk from Office, Windows, enterprise software. Decades of proven growth asterisk. Microsoft teaches you another key lesson. Companies that dominate multiple industries tend to survive market crashes better. MSFT rarely makes dramatic moves, but it grows, consistently, steadily, and safely, asterisk. Stock number 3, Amazon, AMZN, and number 3. Amazon, a company almost every American uses weekly. Why it's perfect for beginners. E-commerce giant asterisk, 40% plus online retail market share. Oz is a profit machine asterisk. The cloud business runs the internet. Multiple growth engines asterisk, ads, streaming, logistics, AI. Amazon teaches beginners that a company can run multiple billion-dollar businesses at once. Even if one slows down, the others keep the stock strong. Beginner tip. These aren't get-rich-quick stocks. They're companies that help you learn the stock market without taking extreme risks. If you study their charts, earnings, and long-term history, you'll understand 80% of how the US stock market works. If you want a part 2, where I break down the safest ETFs, how to start investing with just $100, and how to avoid beginner mistakes, drop a comment saying asterisk, part 2 feet. Make sure to like, subscribe, and save this video for later. Thanks for watching USA Money Talks, and I'll see you in the next one.